Hi class, welcome to the Motivation Module's Best Practice video. This was a busy module. As you can see here, we had a behavioral interview question and then we had the IDC West simulation, which had quite a few parts to it. You had your important term concept, and then we had, based on theories in the chapter, we had the needs theory example, the classical conditioning example, and then the activity with SMART goals. Uh, one of the one of the things that you had to do in the SMART goals was list three goals, but then also describe how each of the goals meets the SMART criteria. And some of you listed three goals, but you didn't describe the criteria. Another thing I wanted to bring out is that, remember, in this transition to online, the team summaries are gone because we don't meet live anymore. And replacing that, you have to make 5 comments in the discussion within your team, 5 comments to others, and each one is worth 5 points. That's a lot of points. So you want to make sure you do 5 comments. So this means you may have to make more than one comment to one person. If you have someone who didn't post, or for whatever reason you only have 4 members that post, then you're going to have to make 2 comments to someone. Now, I usually participate making a comment as well, so you can comment on what I post and that will still count. But you want to make sure you get 5 because it's worth a lot of points. I want to give a shout out again to Gotta Catch 'Em All. They had a lot of high quality posts from that group. You guys are doing a great job. And the other team was Lucky 13 for this module that did a nice job. So shout out to both of those teams. For best practices, this one here, this is Olivia from Gotta Catch 'Em All. And nice job, Olivia. She opens with an introduction, gets into her behavioral interview question. She works her way through the IDC West simulation, and you can see she used both STAR and diet. And clearly marked, easy to follow. She has her important term, which is for her was the motivation cycle. And then she worked her way through um, the examples A, classical conditioning B, and her SMART goals. And then she finished up with a conclusion. So nice job, Olivia. This one is from Francesca in Lucky 13. Nice job, Francesca. She writes a nice introduction, follows STAR in her interview question, gets into IDC West, does a nice job with the content there, follows the diet process, clearly marks it. She used the needs flow model as her important term or concept, and then she works her way through the examples. And same way, SMART goals, she knows she lists her goals, lists how they meet the SMART criteria. That was important to do. And then she ended with a conclusion. So nice job, Olivia. Nice job, Francesca. Um, it looks like our transition to online is going pretty smooth. Just want to emphasize the importance of getting your discussion comments in. Also, I watch for the Monday lectures. I'm going to do another extra credit lecture before we end here, so we'll have extra credits for the final two. Thanks.